Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Na doga ba beto dwa se ye fango be ye mfie dunie yetimi anya $5 billion. $5 billion no ye hu ade kro man ye de aye ade
I mean no cre if you say Ghana the started say year 2010 I got in Sabria no work at it. It's about a free fango to $5 billion. Now so you be Ghana for everything ehunu sika do ya ye kan wa tam ni kase se de tie no na me fa ye pa so ho kasa timo ho kotoka na tre na udu ha ai se de wudu abrochire ni ya de sika no som $350 million and it's here that $5 billion ye kan wa tam bit me si eno maako du ama ye senya can you grab a car? Better 1.5 billion better actually. The same no can say. Kotoka International Airport and a train. There's the Bosnia and the sea. I'm here. It will be success. You found good to come. A dear potting my young moment. Nancyana, a Coban said, a banner of Tigas to Sabri. Yes, sir, on the farm good security. Every free ticket. You know, he can't impact to get their brain a beer. Nkwala e ko school ta be free ticket. He be the entire say. Fango no ada Roma na nkwala ya ko school no ye impact ye ni. But we no free what ya. Ni edi so with me ni di important don't take to say fango sika dia ya ma ye.
na ade nti na kwakwaba ne saa ade ya hye ho mmara akire kwan ya ese ye fa so na ye yusu ye sika yi iti ade nti na yetimi anya sika a ebetimi asi kotoka eye terminal 3 eye ewiem hyen gina bia foforo kora ye si kama yi ebetimi asi be ye du na yetimi anya sika wo ma mu ne ehu ade kora ye de aye
minya enu na kwan ya ye fa so de pango sika ni edi dwuma e wo ye memu ha na saa ye no wo gold sector omen to gold in pure ha na enotire no ye bedane oman ya ehia ye bobro ye treaty ye fan wotika no as income for consumption say ye din ye nu na wonye tika na say wodi no wonu nso a saa na beba no obo nsem tie bebrechi no onhu die sika wonya ye no wodi aye nti wonye sika wodi ye japade saa nso na ye papa nom ananse eja ye nyina ye adwuma that can seem to know the Japadia, who I say also the Uja. But the Bayan say, Fan would can be no dear, and the sea and the back. Now, Menka Gana for said, a dry independent. Tikaka crap, I'm come about so ye and the Bosnia, boy, and the account on the idea. Ultimately, ye may be a near Meno Cate. Until my Yamatuno Crano, it's median actually. Say, we put in the Pamin Kumana Bresso or ye. Ebi Tema Township, Ebi Akoso Modam, Ebi Tema Port, and Ebubo, Debri, ye more ye nan, and ye am no case, like I say, ye da who enya home password. In Kayen ye Susi Mono, say on my Ghana, Nanishra ye may in a Pamwa, Nan Caticano ye the yen your ma, and ye young one ye benya home password. Then woman in Tinima Benya home password. In Tusha, a ye Petroleum Revenue Management Act, no. In the or say at least 70% of the petroleum revenue, no, you find your public investment expenditure, your capital projects, now the be more mine, a tumpon, it just be new money at the idea now. Dear woman said, a year Mexicano, you start at 2% and 10 people projects as the kind of eco. A son of Frank a crazy pet, and to me, and could it to work on that project, Nami and say, na tika, a diasha project in the mono. I want to be man password, and my team member for common point here, market to do that. I did found Wutika crave because shame, and the man and their congo. I tell you, found Wutika negotiate that project, and 1 month password my Tanto na bokonto project bo ya tie de pangu sika na eye obokona project ne sepa me eni ho je se uhuru de sika no so afa na no so ka ho bi na no ye me se ne ye Ministry of Finance go so na ye di nsa wo so 2017 a pangu sika ye twama aban so pa mo man no ho bra eye better 700 million afinu ko ewie ye no na aban ye yusu emu be 300 million pe e chire 403 million no aban ye ntimi yusu sika no wo hinso a yehunu be sika na pa aban say say sika na so de ba parliament na onya parliamentary approval asa wetima spend sika no 2017 atum na make yo 2018 ade na map approval 2019 mid-year budget review 2019 budget into the meeting saba but amapo a mid-year budget ya kwenye bia betime di sika no aba parliament nya approval ye de djuma onbo pampa so amagana po ndohwe akwanya ye nam so adi toto sikatam no na enkoyie e guso ye ka point than 3 million you want them ya no asa ko pie mu 2018 another 255 million aye oyo sika ye twama aban no je kaye enso no ye hunu ye aban
eno no sika sen na mutwa de ma aban eye 2018 de na ka 255 million
2018 na ye projected na ye 1.5 billion Ghana cedis 1.5 billion Ghana cedis according to Abain budget. Apuni ko ewie no when you use sukani nyina ekechire be 255 million. And also the account 403 free 2017 mo a. This sika ye wa yetimi use ye pango sika no over 650 million Ghana cedis. Na wo sika sada wa na humpa so ne sense da ho na mpuntu bi ya kwan ye mani ye jijata
na dog iti pamben so ne ye befa me redeem report ni bia even mo kasa se mo ped ye data bi e de afia so ye bi te se finance ministry ya ye ka ho asem ya aya na data ne mantem even as at the time am prepare some of more reports ni bi no na sabre ne kra na data no e mine no makeka bom na mode enoma ba betu dwana Ghana fo ye hu kwan a ye fa so ese ye fa mu sika no e de na ya kwansidie
kwansidie ne ye mra no mra na shishen na me say baby to sinkakra because mra na should prescribe sanction for the non-responsiveness of state institutions to PX request for data. Na ye na mra na share say the request for data na ta ma asotwe say ye de ma onya kora na na study say or the data ne be ma yen ye to so ba kono no ye to to ye no e say gamra no so share sanctions for various infractions of the law say dia wa budget say me de pangu tika ko ye project we na wan pam kwan ko ye e say onya asotwe I mean if you all want to say just blatant disregard for the law say dia mran say o ti tika na 70% enko capital expenditure every ukoye budget no a na only 49% in the capital expenditure the year no me yentia wo say well tika no de do na akoye 3 years teacher na no ifo the deputy minister for finance ora do wahene na o parliament parliament na say wo fiak for your report no so no na o say ototo parliament na nke be ya ye redefine public investment expenditure capital projects na yemfa free teachers na nkamo is an shokra na kwan bi so no free teachers human capital nje no see a capital expenditure nje be ya yen ne sa na ninya makansa me nche mu na Ghana ponti asiese sa nche na wo mre ni mu yebetimi edisu na ya ne yempanyimfo no mintu wo se ni ha ye wo mu se de yo ya ne yempese ye badua ko ekire pangu sika no volatile ne boa ewa mansenja so no ekosoro ba fomo ba me ma pato bi 2015 2016 pangu sika ewa mansenja so no etipi over $100 a barrel at about $29 a barrel that brain mu no sha into the year before the Ghana almost 1 billion from oil revenues. About 200 and something million. 200 and something million. nti for ne say sabre no ye wo PSHS na nka ban project say eno na ode pangu sika no ekwakoya na ye sorry ade chin no ne bo na tie almost 1 billion about 200 million a ta so for we no na ban ekofisika e ja plug na nkwara eti na kosuku nje ye risky nje ye to say aban ne say omo yen dilute to the sources of funding no for PSHS no yen diversify ni kakra na pangu component ne emra form pangu component ne ba form wa se ebon say ebo no atop form wa mantenja so a enka no bebre nkwara ndetimi akosuku ma na ye now ways in which you can diversify sources of funding no even the same the table bekaya answer na ye be start PSHS no na kokobo Eshenkwala school. But at that time, because the last count, there were about 13,000 children across the country who benefited from Kokobo scholarship. If you can no, say be free SHS no. Nanka tasike ya Kokobo they no makasada sike yo muda beto aban kutu. Enu be Kokobo free SHS ni bi. O share companies ahuro we ye memo ha. Talo Oil, Cosmos Oil, and Adako, GMPC for Ankasa ne ade nyina no omo so no omo scholarship ni bi nde ye ne no omo dis na wo so a kasika na omo de scholarship no na no say that can buy football no say a fund for free SHS na wo create ano no sanso na other corporate body o share MTN Vodafone ade omo foundations ahoro omo de buo na ade nyina no omo transfer e ka say e bia mo corporate social responsibility budget ye betre mo mumpa ebu kakra embebua aban project we ye free SHS no ni nyina bua disua eje ye de pa gidi se dodo na beti ase na nka omo so de kakra abebua moma ye nka ye hu se mredi entwe mu no go person kwant me ma Black Stars $3 million e say corporate social responsibility omo de bua sport in Ghana nti no omo ta for kasa omo beti ma bua bi na person no menti ase se ye what ye pen Ghana Education Trust Fund. A what guaranteed source of revenue a 2.5% of VAT. Na tell whom contribute for na ye bata. Na e no ho education. Na san ko ti free secretary. Any almost so arrangement e dey boa e free SHS. Yes, san what GES. Also want a budget. Also the education related activities. Ni ma dwem one. In harmonizing all these institutions, we have one nomenclature for supporting education in this country. Now, within that nomenclature, which means the departments in the for specialized areas. Now, Sikano, Lina for Baku, and the tracking are easy. But we have the answer now all diversify sources of funding because you are actually harmonizing and bringing other sources that Nanka, Edia, Udi, PSHS, Nebariano, a bit my yellow one system.
It's Investment Advisory Committee. Je say manya sabe joko no. Anasto le mai.
Nyamincha ya constitute Investment Advisory Committee after persistent concerns raised by the Public Interest and Accountability Committee of its non-existence.
Na yete sa abind the cap eto waje the stabilization fund and so of MCB $300 million.
Yes.
And no net saying Chirimai.
Nya ye stabilization fund ne juma eye pa and say Kobani said fan wo bo e wa manten jaso no e kosoro more than say dia ye project ye di ni susu ntenke be kosoro no a die ebuso no eye excess no ye da kakoto putuom na de hiada se bo wa manten jaso no e ba form sin say dia nanka yesusu no a na ye ho kire ya ni akota putuom no akoyi sika ni bi ye da be so esika so abo man ho bra. And that is the main purpose of stabilization fund. But if I say on my way, no, what's your boy and didn't ya pekoti kwan bi so e create the friend thinking fund. You say ye my minister of finance or kwan say on capital stabilization fund no at any level no pay. Na excess no over the cap no. Ya ba go good the friend thinking fund mo. Na that thinking fund no and yet since she be a mayan, yen banko bobosia. And the banko bobosia, and no, I am a boy, but an eshe say, you will say, can be the wa. And more marriage, she must be Tiabotiana Yakobon, it's leading into the appetite to borrow. Na enuntino amma yakodum pempen su bia so wan hwe na se fam wo buo na top form wa mantenja so a sikadodo a ewo stabilization fund no entimi enso ya snake for the period of the shortfall no it's an 300 million there the within a bosom in ebeta the kobani say ewo no top form over a longer period, let's say 3 months, 4 months. Now, Usika work for only 300 million. How do you cope? And you know, and can you pay more? Think a giant stabilization fund, they accumulate as much as possible. So that they are on prolonged phase of price decline in oil prices more. You bring enough resources to cushion us over a longer period. The Hamad Crown said, the minister no at the cap no to stabilization fund no so on point to move yama na so ben na wudina so ntia o cap no at 150 in fact maybe a no minister no so no e cap no at 150 million say you have no kasa for the pay mu kaka 300 million but it's still not enough. You need to accumulate as much as possible so be ya anytime you go kwa hutiemu no over the long term, medium to long term na etima boa.
Na eno na emra ma ho kwan se so afọ de backup no ho.
You call 2015 when you call Samra no ma minister no sa to me no say obetimi akapo stabilization fund no. But it can normally you say we no kwa e was constitutional backing. Say bi anka wo mu a mra ema wo to me to exercise discretion as in this case no. And say wo mu exercise discretion na discretion in one way or the other. As part of the presentation of the budget, no stabilization fund at $3 million for A, B, C, D reasons. Now you say reasons no you are there to but after this, there is not explanation, not a rationalization. There is Emma.
Doc, what is the way forward?
I say Petroleum Revenue Management Act. Still, I be here. Now, based on the experience of implementing this law over the last 9 years, lessons I have brought in and inform the redrafting of this law. Never appropriate sanctions, especially given our knowledge now of some of the typology of infractions I have caused near the one social assembly. Again, as I say, they associate to institutions of state more powers to investigate and prosecute, to take particular interest in the report of PIAC. Now, based on the findings, I have ebano, the prosecution, and the imposition of some sanctions. Now, yeah, it's me. I na just obedience. Ego can't farm mutikano. Ego kwambone swa. No wa yashi.
Okay. Now, maybe sasa IAC, Investment Advisory Committee. No, would you make your point in anything?
I mean, you may important say a year petroleum fund, heritage and stabilization funds. No, the kind of woman, we move 2 minutes and 4. Kwanya obefaso investment na Ghana enya ho mpaso kese. Nti wo de o advisory committee. Na menje mu nso say wo advisor wo de ma minister no according to ishisai na e wo mra ni mu no enye binding.
Opa no offer.
Opa no offer. Enu nso no ya na me fu say mo orem kakra. E ba ni say na wate committee udi nimdifo omunyim sikasem tutu ye nimdia pa sikasem tutu ye ho. Na wote omuntu minister for. Na otu minister for nso a minister no opa no offer. We na say one required in the law. say the minister no so reject advice no one. As I say, or the explanation ever to that. The reason for rejecting the advice. Not to get a arrangement no pass papa.
Okay. Dr. Steve Mantia, yada say another place when you didn't come on measure that pebre na be host to 1-on-1. Now your form music no ye di hon komo ye pa. Why?
Yo, me am that.
Nyakopon.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.